of Birmingham will not tolerate the disrespect of our Prophet, peace be upon him, and there will be outcomes from your actions. You will have repercussions for your actions. We have been trained from birth that we must defend the honor of our Prophet, and we will lay our life on the line.
Al-habib, mark my words, we're gonna get your movie banned from this country.
Has been attacked, which is Rasulullah.
You're meant to be working, not abusing women.
You can make movies, you can make songs. Kafir, kafir, Shia, kafir.
I am the manager of this cinema.
You are a kafir. Sentence me for life.
He could have kept in closed doors like they did for 1300 years, hiding it.
You're the one being racist to them first.
And this curse you will take into the grave with you.
We cannot tolerate anyone. When Aisha was accused, Allahu Akbar,
And we will spit upon you.
इस फिल्म पे पाबंदी लगाई जाए.
this film is banned in the whole entire England.
Do they actually know what's in the film? Or is it just by hearsay?